Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cupcakes with cocoa powder. First, combine your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, and cocoa powder in a bowl. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients, ensuring they are at room temperature for a smoother batter. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your muffin tin with liners. This foundational step ensures a perfect bake every time. Now, let's talk about mixing. Slowly incorporate your dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Mix until everything is just combined. Overmixing can lead to dense, tough cupcakes, and we want them light and fluffy. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides of your bowl, ensuring no pockets of unmixed ingredients remain. This careful approach is key to a uniform and tender crumb. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these cupcake tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious content. On another note, if you're thinking about your financial future while enjoying these sweet treats, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. It's time to bake. Fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 full. This allows for a perfect dome without overflowing. Bake them in your preheated oven for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool in the pan for a few minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience here is crucial for perfect frosting. With your cupcakes cooled, it's time for the fun part, frosting. Whether you prefer a rich chocolate buttercream or a classic vanilla, ensure your frosting is smooth and ready. You can pipe it on for a professional look or simply spread it with a knife. Don't forget to add your personal touch with sprinkles, chocolate shavings, or even a fresh berry. This is where your creativity shines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.